Hello everybody, X2Goes321 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook some...
Both me and my mom pronounced it wrong.
Well,
it's Migas,
right?
okay?
You know,
Migas, I think.
Because it's almost the only thing I know how to cook. So, these are our ingredients. Classic olive oil. Some tortillas, whatever you want. I chose the maíz blanco, which is white corn. We got some eggs. We got our knife. We got our spoon. And I guess something to mix it with. So yeah, let's start by turning this on. And then we wash our hands. So, you know. Alrighty. My mom cut me washing my hands. You guys might not believe me.
Got you.
Oh, nice. Okay, so now that our thing is heated up, we're gonna add some olive oil. Not too much, but enough. I put like, what can I say? Like a little bit of this.
Maybe like 2 spoons.
More?
Since you know how to cook.
Right. So, a spoon and 1/2.
Okay.
It's not too much, but it's enough. Now we're gonna mix it around. And we got our eggs, right? These should be, right? Got this one. Got this one. That's 2. How many are we doing? 5? About 5? Okay. And then we got 4. One more. Okay, so if you guys can see, we have our 5 eggs. Can you like go in? Yeah. So then we're gonna start mixing. Get an angle on the wrist. Flick of the wrist. Right. Oh, spilled some. That don't matter. I was gonna use my spoon, but we're using our wrist. I mean, the whisk. Okay, guys. So we've been mixing for about 3 minutes now, right? My mom added a little bit more of olive oil because olive oil is not fattening. Make sure to have your stove on low while you prepare your stuff, or it's gonna burn, right? And then make sure to have your salt, and then yeah. So go ahead and put this aside. Make sure to grab a good bunch, like about this much good. Okay. Knife, yeah, and cut it in 4s, or less if you like.
Oh, well, you're gonna make it in smaller pieces because
Yep.
you don't have to be like really straight, but at least cut it like if you were cutting a pizza.
Yep.
Just make like triangles. There you go. Like if you're gonna make some nachos or something like that. Oh my God, you're so perfect.
Not too perfect, but it's okay. So, okay, we got them all, right? All good ones. And then, we're going to go ahead and hook them in. Now that this is ready. Just lay them there.
You can turn the stove a little bit.
Come in, get this angle on.
Don't drop them on the floor.
Okay, let's grab some more. Just grab a bit of bunch. Just hook them.
Just put it on the stove.
Right now, we grab the utensil. Wow, we had bigger knives. Okay. We grab this one, right?
That's for the cake.
Okay, we grab this one.
We are gonna bake a cake today.
Right, and in the olive oil, they kind of harden. We don't want them too hard, but we want them kind of hard. Okay.
Okay.
And we higher our flame about half on medium, like right here. Between low and medium in the center.
Okay.
Okay. And then we just start cooking. Right. We let them just stand there for a little bit. And we'll be back at you when we're about to finish. My mom decided that she wanted to put more and cook more, right? So I'm letting her do it right now. It's been a couple minutes so far, right? We got this ready. And we're gonna make some epic editing, Jacob, please.
Migas, Jacob.
Right? Migas. I think that's what he said. So we're gonna make them special. So we're gonna add mozzarella and some enchilada sauce from Las Palmas. No advertisement, but yeah. So we're gonna get the can opener and open. Okay, guys. So we've been mixing for a couple minutes, I guess. Okay, make sure they're crispy, nice and crispy, right? So now we're gonna open our enchilada sauce. Keep in mind, guys, I have not been doing this for a long time. I do not know how to open cans. Low key hard.
Yep, that's the way you use a can opener.
Okay, now that we've got it,
Yeah, don't put it in yet though.
So, guys, putting salt. So my mom just put salt on the eggs. How much salt you think?
Maybe like 2 spoons. No.
Like, oh my God, you're trying to kill me.
Like a half a spoon.
Half a spoon?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. So like say 3 of them. Like,
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
4. No,
Okay.
5.
Okay.
4,
Like,
4 pins like that, like, and they're like big pins. Okay. So we add it now, right?
well, you're the chef, right?
Okay. So guys, here we have our editor, Jacob, please.
Migas, Jacob.
I don't know what it's called, but okay. So see, we got this all centered. We got our egg here, and we're slowly gonna drizzle it. Yeah, hear that nice drizzle? I wish. Okay, so okay, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, let it bake into the tortilla, and let's get our next step. So, this video may not have enough time, so we're gonna add some thyme. Right? Is that good? No more. Looks kind of ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and like tip. Right? Okay. We've been cooking this for about 3 minutes, like 30 seconds in, right? But we've had the pan on for about like 10 minutes, I'm assuming, 6 maybe. So we've been cooking this. Now we're gonna add this, I assume, right? Should we?
What is it?
It is the hold on, I forgot the name. So
Las Palmas.
enchilada sauce from Las Palmas, right? Right. Go ahead and put it all over like we did with the egg. Alright, see the can is empty. Now we're gonna just flip it. And then I'm gonna wash my hands again. Okay, so now grab our rag right here. Alright, looks nice sizzle. Moment of silence. Alright, so now we're gonna mix it.
Not too much mixing because the tortillas are gonna
Melt.
yeah. So not too much.
So
So now, what you're gonna add after this?
Oh yeah, some cheese. I forgot. Alright, so now this has been cooking for about 1:30, maybe 2 minutes. right? We're gonna grab our mozzarella.
Shred it.
Fresh, look, not even not airing it, right? Let's get this rip, okay? Listen. Right, you guys probably heard that. And here we have our cheese. Just gonna go ahead and dump it all in there.
Not all.
No, okay. Remember, like we did to the cheese and the sauce. Center. Right? Repeat it with me, guys. Center. Get it a couple more times in there. Keep repeating it with me. Keep the energy up. The hype, you know, the center. Right? Not center. Around the center, I mean. Around the center. Okay? We just keep adding.
It's already melting.
And adding. Right. You want to like zoom out, get a
Baby
full
boy.
image. And that is good. Is that good? A little more? A little more? That's fine. A little more. One more time, guys. One more time. Center. Okay, there we go. Zoom out, Mom. There we have it, guys.
So are you gonna try it?
We're gonna go ahead and let the cheese melt.
You don't mix it no more.
Yeah, we don't need this no more. So. Okay, so next, right? Go ahead and put the thyme away. And as we put this stuff away, we're gonna turn this off right here. So now we're gonna let that just steam there, and we're gonna put away our ingredients. So yeah, just my little not time lapse, but I'm just gonna put it away, and it's gonna be clean. Most impressive editing, I swear. So this has been marinating for about, what can we say, minute 30, like always. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this thingy, and this, and here we have our nice plate. Right. We're gonna go ahead, get a nice dig of it, right here. Right. Whoa, buddy. What did the TV say? Oh my God.
What they said?
Nothing that my ears can hear yet.
Alright.
So where?
You gonna try it now?
Okay, there we have it. Doesn't look too good, so we can add a little more cheese. Should we? Okay. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Open our nice big fridge and get some cheese. Right? Center. Okay. That's pretty good, right? You want to get a top view, Mom? Right. Oh, you gonna try it?
Ooh, all that cheese you put. Look at that.
I think it's off. Look. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and let the other family members try it. You know. But this is the chef's view, trying it. Okay. A lot of chefs don't try their creations, and I will. Don't you guys hate when your parents... Look at that cheese. Don't you hate when there's something hot, their parents make you eat, and they eat it and it's not hot, then you eat it and then it freaking burns your mouth? I hate that. But let's go ahead and try it.
How was that? That was good?
I have no words for how delicious this was. So good. Oh my God.
What?
The lime's coming out of my mouth. How good it is.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So is that it? Is that all you have to say?
Yep. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you everybody for watching this video and how to make editing Jacob. Say it.
Oh, Migas,
Okay.
Jacob.
Thank you for watching. As you guys can see, it's really good. Came out delicious. I love it. Right. Yeah, thank you for watching again. And X will out in 3, 2, bye-bye.